Hey guys, my name is Saumya Sharma, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use this package react-cli-toolkit in your React application. So you can see over here it has mentioned that react-cli-toolkit is a small, lightweight and dependency-free CLI tool that helps you to create routes in your React app. Okay, the first step what we can before that let me show you this thing. You can go to this GitHub repository and over here you can add a star to this project, and trust me, this will help me a lot, guys. So back to the topic. The first thing we have to do is install this package as a dev dependency tool in our React app. And over here you can see that I have created a React app, and it's just a normal React app running over here on this port. We'll create another terminal, and let's clear everything, and we'll go to this website. We'll copy this command and paste this command over here. What this command will do is it will install react-cli-toolkit as a dev dependency in our app. And this is showing some error which you can totally ignore. Clear this and let's go to our package.json, dev dependency, and we can see it has installed react-cli-toolkit. In the second step, it has mentioned that we have to add this script in the script section inside the package.json. So inside this script we will add this and it should work fine. And now in the third step we can use this command line to create our routes, like npm run page home, and this will create a home route. Let me copy this command and paste it over here. Now let me do this full screen, and now I want to show you one thing. I will open the App.jsx, and over here you can see we don't have any home route. And when I will run this command, you can see over here it will create a page directory. Inside the page directory we have a home directory inside which we have home.css and home.jsx, and also it has updated our app.jsx to support the browser router. Okay, we have saved this, and when I will go back to the website, it's showing an error. It's showing an error because I have mentioned over here app.css, but in the directory I don't have any app.css, so this is my fault, guys. Let's save it, and we can see it's not showing anything because at slash route we don't have anything. We have to go /home, and you can see we have our home route. If you want to create another route, oops, what happened to my terminal? Let's open another terminal, and suppose I want to create another route, suppose name about. We will run this command, and inside pages it has created another directory of about, which we can access at /about. See, it's running super fine. But wait, instead of installing this as a dev dependency, we can install it direct globally. Let's copy this command, and by installing globally it will work much faster. Let me show you what I meant. First open another terminal. We will full screen it. Paste the command npm install -g react-cli-toolkit. We will run this command and it will install react-cli-toolkit as a global dependency. Okay, it has installed. Let's clear. And now when I type react-cli to check whether it is installed or not, and it has see this is react-cli-toolkit. This means react-cli has been installed globally in our device. And now when I type react-cli profile, it has created the profile route, and you can also clearly see the speed difference in npm run pages and direct using it as a global dependency. So this is all about react-cli-toolkit that you need to know. You can also go to the GitHub repository and add a star, fork it, and update some modifications, and I will absolutely love it. Thanks for watching this video.